And Alex Rins out of shape like that. It just doesn't happen. Alex Rins is one of the smoothest riders in the championship. You just don't see a Suzuki do that. He just does this. It's one of the most stable motorcycles.
Could be in for something special because these two Miller have had to head out on circuit. They're currently in P2. Here's the Dr. Valentino Rossi 2 years later, who's gone down turn 12. We've seen a couple of the Hondas running hot that arrived at sector 3. Up, Alex Rins. Stay with it for now.
Interesting this from Rins as well.
The man on a hat trick for victory.
Some dry setup. Of course, the GP21, a completely different motorcycle. Just about gets that mechanic pulling on the brakes into turn 12, and he's still, I think so at this particular moment, yes.
Almost brushing his shoulder down on the track surface there.
Cracking lap time coming in as well through turn number 19, so he's kind of used Bagnaia and Ito Marquez as a bit of a reference, a distant reference. Bagnaia doesn't...
Yeah, is that good enough to get himself into Q2 tomorrow?
Well, already that lap time that to Jack Miller, wow, he was nearly down there, wasn't he? Nearly on the floor at turn 1. Yeah, that was too loose. Thankfully quickly on his feet.
Three gallon of error.
It's just because crashed. A sea of yellow in the grandstands for Austin fans. A sea of yellow flags now waving. That's on those fast right-handers, isn't it? Towards the back end of the lap, sector 4. That was fast. There was nothing Aleix Spargaro could do about that. You can see the front end went real quick on him.
There's some late charges coming from the World Championship leader, Fabio Quartararo. Alex Rins, likewise, has gone back out to 1.
Yeah, Fabio Quartararo, normally when he gets locked down into soft tyre time attack mode, he's brilliant, isn't he? He's over on the front row championship.
3. He's avoided the yellow flags. It looks like Alex Rins all destined for top spot here.
It's second cleared now. I'm taking Nakagami. That's session over, isn't it? For Aleix Spargaro, he'll be this is going to be putting this with me.
Franco Morbidelli, he's only a 10th down through sector 2. He's lost a bundle of time in the 3rd sector.
This is where Alex is awesome. What a job that is, yeah, indeed. A 2:05.137 from Andrea Dovizioso.
Wow, now with a soft rear, just to be sure, because his name's dropped him down the leaderboard. Morbidelli goes into 8th place for this. Fast lap's coming easy.
He's competed in a pole man so far this year. And here he comes. Marc Marquez up by nearly 0.3 of a second. Watch out, folks. He was quickest in the wet this morning.
In the meantime, he's going to try and push Juan Mir out.
Yeah, Marc Marquez out to the final corner. Surely this is top spot. It is a 2:04. Marc Marquez.
Alex Rins 8th. There's just 10 seconds left until the checkered flag comes out. Dovi was on a decent lap, but that's gone awry.
And Dovizioso. Andrea Dovizioso, unfortunately, by a whisker, has just been pushed out at the all-important.
Repsol Honda's in the top 3. Excellent from Thomas Spargaro. He's had a very good day at the office. The same cannot be said, unfortunately. There's the moment where things started to unravel. Jack Miller already safely into Q. This man, but again, he gets it wrong into turn 12.
Yeah, that's a shame because we could have been looking at our first 2:03 time, wasn't it? As he attacked through turn 16, that would have cost him a little bit of time.
Miller, I mean, just clinging on to a place inside the top 10. Bagnaia has just improved. He's gone across the line into 5th.
2:04.17, 0.015 between the top 2 men.
6/10 cover the top 11.
Vital as well. As we mentioned, there are some rather dodgy weather forecasts around for Austin, particularly early morning tomorrow.
A good day until it's crashed. And second from last. Come rain or shine at the horsepower rodeo. A 2:04.164 then for the Repsol Honda man. Puts him in top spot, but very close behind him is Thriller.
At 1-2 this morning in the wet, and 1-2 this afternoon in the dry. Miller and Marc Marquez. And practice starts together. Did he get picked up in Australia again as well?
Great to hear the reception here from the fans in Austin. We have missed that. Here we go again. He's going to have another go. It's a raised eyebrow there. Look at this spectacular footage in the lean angle, 58-degree lean angle at 148 kilometres.
Means Marquez ends day 1 on top of the title. He's done that a few times in Austin before, hasn't he? Miller second versus Miller this morning. It was Marquez versus Miller this afternoon. And Jack Miller left his best work until the last lap of 2:04. 1:2 clear of Fabio Quartararo in the 3rd spot. Excellent job by the Aussie.
The World Championship leader, Fabio Quartararo, then the only non-Honda Ducati rider inside the top 8 there. He went for a good long run.
Recently, at the present, it's working pretty well too on the 20.